How to download your TikTok data. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your TikTok data. This includes your account info, chats, comment, and more. Whether you are using iOS or Android, the process is same. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile page, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap Settings and Privacy. And here on the Settings section, you can simply tap on option Label Account. And from here, you will be redirected to your account info and data page. Now, simply look for the download your data option and tap on it. And once the page loads, you will need to request your data from TikTok. So by default, TikTok will select all data, but you can choose specific data you want to download if you prefer. And you will also need to choose the file format for the download. The default formats it's text, but you can also choose JSON. And after making your selection, you can simply tap on done and then request data. And after that, your request will show up as pending. This means it will take a few hours, but don't worry. Sometimes it takes even less time than that. And once your data is ready, TikTok will send you a notification letting you know it's available for downloads. So you just need to follow the instruction in the notification to download your TikTok data. And that's it. That's how you can download your TikTok data. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.